In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Cygwin on Windows so that you have a functional C++ development environment and functional C development environment for that matter, but the goal here is to get C++ development up and running. Okay, so first thing, you're going to go to the website, cygwin.com, and choose here according to your operating system and your preferences whether you want to get the 32-bit installation or 64-bit. I have the 64-bit, and there it is in my downloads folder. And what that will give you when you download it is a file like this one. And this is the setup file for Cygwin. Usual Windows double-click operation. And here's the install for Cygwin. We're running through the same install even though I already have it on this machine. It will look very much the same to this point. Here's the path where it chooses to put this. The default here is C/Cygwin64 because it's the 64-bit, and this is where I let it put my Cygwin installation. There's a local package directory. I also use the default for that, direct connection. Okay. Pick a site. I just recommend you not pick the first one. In my experience, that first one is a little bit slow. And then next, we haven't had to customize anything yet. We're just going by default so far in Cygwin. Now here's where we make some choices. Okay, so what you need to do to get a C++ environment, let me drag this down a little bit. First of all, here's the base for Cygwin, and this is all about things that come on Cygwin. Let's spread that out so that we can see what's here. Basically, I would just get this, just get the whole thing. So instead of picking items in here, go here where it says default, click it until it says install. See where I'm clicking on that little circle thing, and I can choose install, uninstall. Choose install for yours. Okay, I'm going to go back default. Now, here in development is where we're going to go away from just getting Cygwin, and we're going to pick some particular things for our task at hand. And what I'm looking for says G++ in this section. Okay, GCC-G++. Over here, again, you're going to say install for that. But I don't have install on mine. Keep is mine because I already have it installed. But you're going to get, again, install. Okay, one more thing. In addition to that, GCC, G++. Actually, two more things. Here's first, get core. Install. Okay. And then one more. GDB. The GNU debugger. And you won't necessarily need that. Maybe not for a long time. We'll just see. But it's good to have. It is useful regardless of what your development style and regardless of what people will tell you about how often you need or don't need the debugger. You need to have it on your system. It will come in handy. Okay, and so after you've selected those things, you'll say next. I'm going to cancel out of that because it's not going to have prerequisites since I'm not installing anything. Yours will say possibly whenever you do an install, it will say there are some prerequisites. Let it get the prerequisites, whatever it says that they are. You will have to have that to run. And that's all you need to do to install Cygwin with the capabilities for compiling C++. That's a really easy way to get your C++ compiler, a pretty standard and common one, up and running on Windows. So get that done, and in the next video, we'll start working more toward a comprehensive development environment where we can type some code.